So it's morning, we are leaving Edinburgh. I am exhausted. I already was lacking sleep before coming here, and I'm just topped up on my lack of sleep. They've set up the grid now. We're literally heading over to the driver's briefing, then we're going to stock up the car. So, it rained last night, so you can see there's water all over the car. But that's not stopping us, and I managed to get everything in, mine and Ish's stuff, all packed into the front loader bay. This is an epic feat of packing, so we're good to go. I don't know how people are doing it with the SF90s, because my SF90, I can't put anything in there. But now we have driver's registration and walk back up to the front of the grid. Senna suits the wrap. But yeah, let's make it back now. So the driver's briefing's done. We're heading back to the cars now. I'm shattered. The most famous guys in Edinburgh right now. I don't know. Taking their pictures. Check it out. Welcome to the grid. All right, how you guys? So it looks like they built this last night. Took out all of the central reservation. Gumball does it big. Our efficient Swedish brothers packing their car, loading it up. I see, man. I see.
My British blokes.
British blokes. Oh gosh. What a coincidence that we'd be right next to each other. It's like it was meant to be. It's kind of romantic. It's kind of poetic, if I say so myself. Are you topping up oil in your car?
No, I haven't.
Well, when I was at Legoland, I got low oil pressure. It's like, save my car. Valve controller. Open and close. Yeah, I had it fitted, and then I thought, I don't want it quiet, so I just fucking unplugged the valves. I'm not gonna put that much in though. I only measure it when it's hot. Yeah. And it's freezing right now, but I know it will need some oil. Especially, I went over a crest, and I got low oil pressure, and I was like, oil's needed. I think that's enough, to be fair.
Yeah, that'll do.
Yeah, and then later on I'll just see, I didn't put much in, but it's better than nothing, I guess.
Yeah.
Better than nothing.
That'll do.
Italian engineering, the best. To top up oil, you have to take off parts of your car.
And put them on the floor.
Yeah. I haven't got any warning lights. After topping off the oil, it looks all good, so I think we're good to go.
You say, here we go. Here we go. Alright, let's do that guy.
So we are here on the start line. Gumball, ready to go. Hey,
Tommy!
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I need the bathroom.
What's happening, bro? How you doing, man?
People in Edinburgh are friendly. Wait till we get to London. I'm always ready for Gumball, man. Is Gumball ready for me? That's the question.
What's happening, bro?
Hey, Tommy gang in the building.
What are you saying? Get that
Tommy
to
gang.
Yeah, good. What is
No
this?
smoke, bro. No smoke. No smoke.
No smoke.
Can't do smoke.
It's about to start a very short Gumball rally. He will be back in future.
And a very sweet Gumball rally.
Tommy, how are you feeling today, my bro?
Ecstatic, I'm feeling good. My first Gumball. I'm not doing the whole thing, so I have to get back to my wife and newborn child. He's 6 weeks. Can I get some noise for my newborn child, please? Can you guys make some noise?
Come on.
He's doing well, he's doing well. I love it, man.
Tommy, talk to us about this car.
This is my Aventador SVJ. I bought it last year. I've already done 8,500 miles, so I'm looking to get 10 by the end of the rally. Yeah, it's a little vibe. I love this car. It's one of my favorites, but
maybe on the next rally, yeah?
it's definitely on the next rally.
Big Lewis Hamilton, man, is that the reason for your love for your car?
Yeah, so the reason is actually 44 is my angel number. I'm a massive Lewis Hamilton fan as well. I used to play basketball with the number when I was a kid, so yeah, I thought, why not?
Edinburgh, give it up for Tomi.
I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna be back.
It's a vibrancy.
Yeah, there is definitely. Nice to see you again. Have a good one. Am I going right?
Yeah.
I'm going right, yeah.
Go right.
Go right.
Go right.
The police are filming people.
They're filming?
Yeah, he's filming
Be
on
careful,
his
there's
phone.
police here as well.
Have a fake, yes, fake. There, I saw the police officer filming the cars,
Yeah.
leaving. It's too hot! It's too hot! It's too hot!
You can smell it as well.
Yeah, yeah. I saw the police filming, so I knew I won't go fast.
He's just saying, I heard it slow.
Launch control. Why not? Little launch control.
Stand there.
Oh, he's shy.
Undercover police vibes.
No, yeah, don't know it.
Straight on, yeah?
Yeah, but just over down here. You can tell the car's hot.
Yeah, you can see by the way it's moving. I've run out of revs to give people. Where we go?
We are going straight on.
Oh, I went the wrong way, didn't I?
Yeah. No, you can go right here.
I'm going follow the center.
That launch control was insane. How many have we done in the last 3 minutes?
So Gumball, we're on the route now. We finally left Edinburgh. I'm in second gear because why not? We got a Bentley behind us. Some guy in an Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrilogia, whatever they call it. There's not part of Gumball. Has written Gumball on his car and is following us. So yeah, here's the Bentley, looking fresh, looking fly. That's nice. Heading out of Edinburgh now. I need the bathroom, so next services looks like that's going to be our stop.
I also need the bathroom. And we need some fuel.
Yeah, we do need fuel.
A nice yellow 812. That looks cool. I think you need to shout at the speed camera here.
66 I'm doing.
Got more people on the bridge.
Just gonna take it easy for now, I think.
No, that's bad.
Police in front somewhere. Is that police? Nah, it's not.
Is that police?
That's police. That's police in that car, I think.
First fuel stop of the day.
Full stop. I'm not sure where we are, but we're still in Scotland, and then from there we're trying to not be the last ones, but we're not exactly racing at it. Being last is not viable. So we're out here. The people are loving it. 10 launch controls in a day. My gearbox just said to me, chill the F out. So we are in Washington services. I literally almost wet myself. I had to pull off on the side of the road to take a leak. We're here, the second fuel stop of the day. We probably have about 9 remaining. We've got some people over here.
Some of the boys.
Yeah. Now, who are you looking forward to seeing most? Hey!
Picture with you.
Yeah, man, go ahead.
Cheers.
We got the Huayra here, fully exposed, doing what it's got to do to get fuel. The Koenigsegg's are here, again, fully open, putting on a show. Mr. Koenigsegg's over here. We're doing well. It's been vibes so far. We're gonna probably be the last ones there, but have the coolest entrance when we get there. Come on, guys. And a Senna, so it's a nice little convoy we have, but I can't see anyone else behind. I think we've left them.
Fuel stop 3.
Fuel stop number 3. The Senna runs out of fuel really quickly. Nico, how many miles left?
5.
Oh, DDE'S getting, DDE'S got...
Serious, my bladder is bigger than the fuel tank of this thing.
So this is the most expensive Burger King stop you'll ever see. We've got everything you can imagine here. Nice little vibes. This car sounds insane. So here's my guy Honda in the Murcielago straight from Sweden. Honda. It's nice vibes, man. I love it. I think it's probably my favorite car in the rally, you know, just because the one that's felt the most special to me. Love you too, man. DDE'S SVJ. Now on to London, finally, I think.
Just stopped off at Burger King. What's next?
Now we head to London, finally. 3 hours and 186 miles to go.
Need a push?
So there's donut marks on the road. So update, we're trying to push the SVJ into working, so. Yeah, I told you. Well, I think it's in gear when it's in neutral. Might not have enough power to start spinning.
Never one issue with that car for those who've watched for years.
Take the plastic off as well.
Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Don't turn it off. Running, don't. Leave it running on the grid. Leave it running until tomorrow. I'll leave it tonight running over there. We'll keep it fuel. Leave it up.
So we got it started. It was wild. It was a wild moment. We're gonna head back to London now. See if we can get things going.
Hey, Mumsy! great to see you. Lovely.